In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Activision account to YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, the best way to do this is open up a web browser and go to youtube.com. From here, make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, click into settings. Now, once you're inside your account page, on the left-hand side, we need to click onto Connected Apps. To the right, it should say Connected Apps and expand your experience. So connect YouTube with other apps and watch more easily. Now, below that, you should see Activision ID. If you don't, just do a search up the top here. So from here, go ahead and click onto Connect. Then a pop-up's going to appear that saying connect accounts and watch approved events and videos for a chance to win in-game rewards. So from here, click on Connect. Now, click on continue again to continue to connect accounts. A pop-up should appear where you need to go ahead and sign in with your email address and password. Then once you've done that, you're going to come back here and then it's going to say connected.